Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be baking some pierogies in the oven. I showed a similar recipe a few videos back, but in this recipe I won't be using any frozen mixed vegetables. I'm going to use some fresh carrots, celery, and sweet onion. This gives the dish a much better flavor. This is the gravy I'm going to use tonight, the Heinz roasted garlic and rosemary. I'm throwing in 6 onion pierogies and then 6 garlic ones, so 12 total. So here we have roughly 2 whole carrots, chopped up, 2 stalks of celery, and about 1/2 of a Peruvian sweet onion. Everything just goes in together. I'm going to mix it up. Now I'm going to pour the whole jar of gravy over the top. Alright, it's ready to go in the oven. I'm putting it in at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's going to be for about 30 to 35 minutes. We're going to check it at 30. Alright, here it is. This was a full 35 minutes when I pulled it out, but this is what it looks like. Nice and crispy on top. Came out pretty much just how you would want it. I cracked some black pepper on the top of mine. If you've never had pierogies or you've just never had them baked in the oven before, this is definitely something that you have to try. I'm still thinking of other veggies and things that I can put into this recipe to make it better. Alright, let's wrap this up. But I'm all ears, guys. Let me know in the comments, what's the best way ever to make pierogies? What's your favorite way? Thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more recipes like this. Until next time, take care.
Hey there! Pat yourself on the back for making it this far into Chris's video. These vlogs of his can get pretty lengthy sometimes. Anyway, don't forget to like this video and please click the subscribe button. It's always free and it is the best way to support content creators like Chris the plant-based runner. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, safe travels.